everyone, and welcome to week 4 of Tiny Watercolors in June, our June challenge for Watercolor Journal Club. So that's our final week, and everybody has produced so many fun paintings. We're just on a roll here, and we will, at the end of this, hopefully have a completed Tiny Watercolor Journal. Be a lot of fun for people to post their flips of their journals at the end of the week if you like, or at the beginning of next week, since we have a couple days in June left next week. I will be announcing the giveaway soon. You can see that over on Instagram. Again, every post that you put up on Instagram for the week is entered into a challenge, into the drawing to enter. Oh man, sorry, I'm so excited. So it's entered to win a watercolor journal. So I saw most of you did multiple florals last week, so that is awesome. If you would like to join our challenge, you can start anytime. It's free. It's Watercolor Journal Club. You can see us over on Instagram under the hashtag Watercolor Journal Club and also the hashtag Tiny Watercolors in June. We'd love to have you join. This week you just start out with food then. If you'd like to enter for the giveaway, it'll be all the food entries that get entered this week. You can feel free to do the florals and the animals from week 2, florals from week 3, and then in the first week we learned how to make a tiny watercolor journal. So I have videos up for all of those. So feel free to join the fun. We'd love to have you, and I'll have the details down in the detail box down here so you can check it out and come join us. Anyway, this week, lots of fun painting watercolor food. I always think that's so fun. I'll probably do a couple more. I don't know if I'll make a video, but I will post them. Popsicles are fun, and ice cream is fun. Donuts are fun, and yeah, those are the ones I kind of want to do that I didn't do yet. So I wanted to get something up here for you guys. When I did the fruit, I was dropping color in while the paint was wet. I'm doing the same thing on this hamburger here, so that's a technique. I did not wet the paper before painting, but I am dropping in new colors while the paint is wet. So you see that how it blends, and like if you look at a picture of a hamburger bun, it has lots of colors. Same thing with the fruit, like an orange or the watermelon has different shades of the pink, and it has the green, and you can kind of fade into that. So I thought this would be fun to do those using that technique, and that would be a cool thing to do. Hopefully I can maybe come on and show some techniques sometime soon. If there's anything you want to know, I know a lot of people just said they'd like to learn anything, but if there's something specific you're struggling with, I know a lot of people have trouble with the amount of water sometimes, and that's just practice for the most part. A big thing I can tell you is if you are going in with real watery paint and you want to drop into that, you can, but you kind of want it to be less watery when you drop in, or you get those blossoms. So something to know. Also, as you notice on this hamburger here, if you touch a color to another wet area, that color will go up there. I didn't mind that because I wanted this to look real loose. But if you do not want that to happen, do not go near any area that's wet because the paint will just fly up into the areas where there's water. So just something to keep in mind with watercolor if you did not know that. So I just had a blast making little food paintings, and I'm super excited to see yours. I'm very excited for the idea of flipping our journals at the end of the week or at the beginning of next week. You know, you can post it on Instagram, just do a little video flipping your completed journal. I think that would be a lot of fun. So again, this week, one more chance to win, and I will announce the winner from last week's florals over on Instagram here shortly. Just going to get this video up. So lots of fun, and I was thinking about the July challenge, and I will probably put up a poll, but I'm kind of excited about one idea, so I don't know if I'll do a poll. But anyway, I was thinking it would be fun to do portraits. So, you know, love to hear what you guys think. But and then those draw this in your style challenges, I've done those several times. A lot of fun. I thought it would be fun to post my own illustration and have other people draw it in their style as well. So I don't know, we'll start with the portraits, and then maybe I'll add that element to July. Let me know what you think in the comments or over on Instagram, though. I just thought that would be really fun. And for the giveaway, I'm going to think of a different prize. Possibly I would do a portrait for someone for the winner. That'd just be one prize. We wouldn't do a weekly one. We'd just do a monthly one for that one. We'll wait and see, though. I'd love your input if you have any ideas or anything. let me know. But I'm pretty excited about that, so I think that could be a lot of fun. Anyway, really excited to see your guys' food paintings. I saw some more people joined us this week, so we have a bigger group. It's just growing and growing, which is awesome. So spread the word again over on my Instagram page. If you're new, there is a post with the prompt list, and you can check that out. It has all the details there. And if you want to share that prompt list, that'd be great. We can get more people joining us. It's just a lot of fun to see everybody's paintings. Everybody's doing so great painting tiny, and we're just having a lot of fun with it. So thank you again, everyone, for joining and commenting and supporting each other and having so much fun with this challenge. You guys are making it a lot of fun. I'll talk about a couple techniques here too real quick. I'm layering right here. So you see I'm going over, once it's dry, I go back and I darken some areas. And the reason I do that is I start with a lighter color, and when I know that I want like some of the hamburger bun there to be light, I go in with my lightest color and I let it dry. Sometimes I do drop in the paint while it's wet too. So if you can do both and try both. I use them interchangeably and for different reasons, I guess you'd say. But I add shadow later when it's dry a lot of times. I do start to add it when it's wet though sometimes. So you can see, you get different effects and see what you like. Thanks again, and if you'd like to join us, again, it's free. Check us out over on Instagram. I'll have everything down below in the details box. And thank you so much for being here. Love it if you want to like and subscribe to the channel too. We have lots of videos coming weekly and lots of fun challenges and giveaways. Thanks so much.